Today we're exploring one of the most beloved dishes in Turkish cuisine, köfte. Köfte are Turkish-style meatballs made from ground meat mixed with herbs, spices, and simple ingredients. They are juicy, flavorful, and incredibly popular across Turkey. There are many different types of köfte, each with its own regional twist, but they all share the same delicious foundation. Let's start with the meat. Köfte is usually made with ground beef or a mix of beef and lamb. The fat content is important because it keeps the meatballs juicy during cooking. Next come the ingredients that give köfte its unique flavor. Finely chopped onions, garlic, parsley, salt, and spices like cumin and paprika are added to the meat. Sometimes breadcrumbs or soaked bread are mixed in to create a softer texture. The mixture is then kneaded thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. This step helps the köfte hold their shape and develop a rich flavor. After that, the mixture is shaped into small oval or round patties. Now it's time to cook. Köfte can be grilled over charcoal, pan-fried, or even baked. Grilling is especially popular because it adds a smoky flavor and a slightly crispy outside. As the köfte cook, they release their juices and develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Once ready, köfte are usually served with rice, salad, grilled vegetables, and warm bread. A side of yogurt or a squeeze of lemon makes the dish even more delicious. In Turkey, köfte is more than just a meal. It's comfort food, often enjoyed with family and friends. Simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about köfte, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which Turkish dish we should explore next.